Alright guys, part 2. And now that the pork chops have cooked, a little bit on each side. Okay, never mind. Alright. Again, pork chops have cooked a little bit on each side. Barbecue sauce. And loose. Just get a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. Yeah, I know it's not easy to do this without a tripod because I'm using my phone. Instead of yesterday's video, I used my camera, but I knew the fiance would be a little bit suspicious, even though she's going to see this whenever they come out. And, well, I figured while I have you guys on camera, I do have an announcement to make. If you remember a few videos ago, I was saying how she's pregnant. Well, we found out the gender, and we are having a girl. Her name is Mary Elizabeth Lynn Beach. So, yeah. And she probably wouldn't be the one to tell you that, but oh well. She can suck it up for a minute. So, but yeah, barbecue sauce on the pork chops. I'll be flipping them here in a few minutes. Just let them marinate a little bit. Spade and fiance. Spade's more or less chilling in the window doing her kitty stuff. So, but don't mind me. I'm in a good mood. It's almost the weekend. I hope you guys have a good one. I don't know when you're going to be seeing this. I am going to try to upload them tonight. So, whenever you guys see these, leave a comment. Let me know if you like the cooking videos. Like I said, I do plan on doing some more because of the nice weather coming up. So, yeah, if you like them, let me know. I'll try to get some more in. So, all you guys have to do is let me know in the comments below. Leave a like. Yes, leave a like, subscribe, put in the comments below if you like the cooking videos. If not, I'll go back to my normal stuff, the car videos. I'll try to put out some gaming videos. And, yeah. So, for now, later.